Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today, hey, cherry crumble. That's not so cooking with Corey. Alright, our ingredients are as follows. We got some flour, we got some butter, we got some vanilla, we got some sugar back there, we got this delicious honey oat granola. We got some cherries that we picked from our neighbor's yard back there. It's going to be delicious. An orange. We're going to use the zest and some cornstarch. I'm going to throw some Heath pieces in it. Obviously some brown sugar. Alright guys, that's next on Cooking with Corey. Alright, let's get this party started. We're going to start this off with approximately 5 cups of tart cherries. And these are tart. We got these off our neighbor's tree, Britt and Jill's. These are really tart. And we're going to try to do this. I could have done it different ways, but I'm going to try to do it in one pan for you guys, you know, to save time, energy, whatever. So this let's say we're going to put 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch in there. And we had a little blowout there, it's all good. And we're going to do 2 cups of sugar. So actually it needs it, believe it or not. So there's 2 cups. And what we're going to do is then we're going to give this a little roll around and let those marry together and let that cornstarch grab onto that sugar and etc. And we'll go to the next step. Alright, we did all that. We got it all mixed in. This is how it should look. Cornstarch, sugar in there. Alright, hey, you know what? Let's make the crumble next. Alright, peeps, we are on to our crumble. A 1.5 cups of flour. And we are going to add some ground cinnamon to that. Good teaspoon. To our delicious crumble. And to our crumble, we're also going to add some of this. You guys see that? It's granola. You can add oats. You can add whatever you want. But we're going to do a good cup of oats in there. Get the party started. And we are going to add some brown sugar to it. So let's add that's 1. That's probably, I would say that's 2 tablespoons of brown sugar all together into our delicious mix there. And what else we're going to do? We are going to add some delicious pure vanilla extract to that. Hey, if you have vanilla bean, then you can, yeah, go ahead and do that. So I would say a good teaspoon. That's where we're at there. So we got everything in there we need to get this crumble going. So let's get to start incorporating that. I'm using a fork. You can definitely use whatever you want. Put that together. And then what you do is you start adding this butter in little cubes, like so, like so, like so, and like so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep working these in, like that. And when I get back to my crumble, I will bring you guys back. Alright peeps, this is where we're at. I did add an extra 1/2 stick of butter in this. You want it crumbly, you can do however crumbly you want it. But you know, extra 1/2 stick of butter in there, and that's our crumble. It's gonna go on top. Still working on a crumble. So we got a mixture here, which we worked hard on. Cornstarch, sugar, this together. Let it set. Microplane right here, and we're gonna put some orange zest on top of our cherry mixture here. And it's very important when you're doing this that you do not get into the white. See how I've not gotten into the white here? Can you guys see that? Yeah, see how it's still kind of orange color? That's all the further you want to go. Don't want to get too further into that zest or it will become bitter. And I'm going to zest this orange on here. Alright, so we've done a good job. We zested our orange on here. So we're going to give it the juice of a half an orange here. Hand over it, cup it like this, get seeds out. And from there, it's time for the crumble. So let's go. Let's put our crumble on here. So this is my favorite part of it. I do love the cherries, obviously, but I always like a good layer of crumble crust, whatever you want to call it, top. So we're gonna put this on pretty heavy, down there pretty good. All right, there we got it. And all right, nope, still got some zest there. That's all right, it'll be fine. Down a little bit. One last thing while we're doing that, we'll add some straight up granola on top of it. A little crispier. So we're caramelize it a little more. Alright, and the oven we go. Alright, here we go. That's our final product, guys. We got our crumble on top. We got our cherries on the bottom, which we worked hard on. Hey, we're gonna plate this up next. Beautiful. If you got a cherry tree, even if you're near to, go ask, hey, can I have a cherry or two? Make this for yourself. Let's plate it next. Alright, it's time to plate this up. And to start that show, we're gonna use some delicious vanilla ice cream. A couple hefty scoops in our bowl there. And then we're going to add our crumble, which we had worked so hard on. So let's go. Let's add some of this to the top of it. And down the side of it. All together really well. Looking good. We did a good job there. Look at that. Does that not look delicious? But we're going to make it a little more delicious because we can. Because, you know, that's what we're here for. That's what we do. So, a little bit more fresh granola on there. And our Heath chunks. Give it a bath in that. And I'm going to add a little extra. Just a little extra pizzazz here. Just for you guys. Hey, what about some chocolate chips? What about giving it some mint? What about calling that one of the best desserts you'll ever have from the tree in your backyard, neighbor's yard, or whatever? You can do that with cherry preserves. You can do it out of the can or whatever. There you got it. So a little orange in there. So let's add a little bit of orange. Hey, we're gonna call that a night. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. Don't forget to ring that bell. We'll see you next week.